Welcome to the Ridge in Blaine, Washington. This stunning corner lot home is designed for comfort and modern living, featuring a main-level primary bedroom for ultimate convenience. The flexible floor plan includes a bonus room upstairs, perfect for a home office, playroom, or additional living space. High-end finishes like luxury vinyl flooring, quartz countertops, and a stylish slab backsplash add elegance throughout. Enjoy year-round outdoor living with covered front and back patios. Spacious corner lot next to the reserve tract. Conveniently located near downtown Blaine and I-5 for easy access to amenities. Limited time savings, up to $8,000 in seller and 0.75% lender credits through 12/31 with Preferred Lender Becky Farrar at Evergreen Home Loans.